Direct. The word direct can have several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Here are a few common meanings of direct and examples to illustrate their usage. 1. Verb. To lead or guide someone or something in a particular direction. Example. The tour guide directed us to the famous landmarks in the city. 2. Adjective. Straightforward and without any detours or intermediaries. Example. She gave me direct instructions on how to assemble the furniture. 3. Adjective. Immediate and without any delay. Example. Please give me a direct answer to my question. 4. Adjective. Honest and straightforward in communication. Example. I appreciate his direct approach to giving feedback. 5. Adverb. Immediately or without interruption. Example. He spoke to me directly after the meeting. 6. Verb. To control or manage a project or activity. Example. She directed the play and ensured that everything ran smoothly. 7. Noun. The person responsible for overseeing the artistic aspects of a film or play. Example. The director of the movie won several awards for his work. It is important to note that the meaning of direct can change based on its part of speech and the context in which it is used. Therefore, it is always necessary to consider the surrounding words and the overall sentence structure to fully understand the intended meaning.